Over Sichuan's mountains, the sky lowers like iron. Sirens rise along a hydropower dam as sensors spike and water recedes unnaturally from the riverbed. Torrential rain lashes concrete, lightning veins the gorge, strong winds shear across the crest. A hairline crack whispers, then screams. A wall gives and the valley inhales a single catastrophic breath. Downstream, a shockwave of brown water hammers pylons, twists a cable-stayed bridge, and turns expressway ramps into churning spillways. Substations spit blue arcs and fall dark. In Shanghai's canyons of glass and steel, metro vents erupt, buses bob, and intersections vanish under a tightening vortex. Chinese adults form rescue chains, signal rooftops, and cling to stairwells while rotors beat through crosswinds. Inflatable boats thread eddies beneath a fractured interchange. Generators cough in flooded courtyards. Lanterns bloom in shikumen lanes as neighbors guide each other to higher ground. From a fog-wrapped segment of the Great Wall, the drowned valley lies hushed. Sirens thin, rain softens, and the lesson remains. Water obeys physics, not promises. Prepare, evacuate early, and respect the power that carves stone.